Hello students. Dear students, from today please be particular about watching the video links which are sent to you. Of course, your class teacher will also instruct you why it is compulsory. Now it is related to your attendance. So compulsorily watch all the video links for the explanation of the chapter. So let us continue the next part without wasting time. Methods of preparation of haloalkanes. Last time we have seen only one reaction under this heading, that is method of preparation of haloalkanes from alcohols. So these are two more important reactions under this category. In that first one, reaction of alcohol with PCl3 and reaction of alcohol with PCl5. Very important reaction. Okay, alcohols react with PCl3 and PCl5 because these reactions are there in two chapters, this chapter and chapter alcohols. So what is happening here? Let's understand how we have prepared a haloalkane. Here we have taken secondary alcohol. This is 2-propanol. Propane 2 on. Reacting with PCl3. Now one thing you keep in mind. Whenever you write the reaction PCl3, this 3 you keep in mind and you take 3 molecules of that alcohol. You write 3 also here. Okay. Then OH will be replaced by Cl. Okay. And this byproduct also you have to always keep in mind for this reaction. Byproduct is H3PO3, phosphorus acid. Okay, so here we have prepared haloalkane 2-chloropropane. Okay, it is 2-chloropropane. Second reaction is PCl5. Now PCl5, these are the products. One molecule of alcohol, OH is replaced by one Cl from here. You will get CH3, CH2, Cl. And the byproducts are fixed. POCl3. Okay, P, this O and then Cl3. 3 Cl atoms. One Cl atom is still remaining. That will react with this H to form HCl. So these are the important reactions of phosphorus trichloride and phosphorus pentachloride with alcohols. Second reaction, okay, and in this category it is the third reaction from alcohols. Reaction with aluminum chloride, SOCl2. SOCl2 is called thionyl chloride. In presence of catalyst pyridine. Now this catalyst are compulsorily have to write. Okay, in my lectures, wherever I have explained that you have to write the catalyst compulsorily means, okay, you have to write it. Otherwise they will cut marks in examination. So in presence of pyridine, you get again haloalkane like this. Okay, but here the byproducts are SO2, two oxygen. And what is remaining here? One Cl is added here, one Cl is remaining. But only for 1 mark they are asking in exam, 1 mark. तो अभी फर्स्ट रिएक्शन कौन सा है यहाँ पे? फिंकेल्स्टन्स रिएक्शन. फिंकेल्स्टन रिएक्शन, the chemist, okay, hit you alkyl bromide, ethyl bromide, and it treated with sodium iodide, okay, and bromine is substituted by iodine here, okay, and NaBr is formed. That means this particular reaction is used to prepare alkyl iodides. Alkyl iodides which are not possible to prepare by normal methods. By normal methods only chlorides and bromides, okay, type of haloalkanes are prepared. So here this method is used to prepare alkyl iodide, here we get ethyl iodide, okay. Now here ethyl group, okay, CH3 CH2 Br, and here also CH3 CH2 I variant, okay, as you can see the ethyl group, okay. Now the next reaction is Schwarz reaction. Schwarz reaction is used to prepare fluorides, means haloalkanes containing fluorine. Fluoride compounds preparation is very difficult because these reactions are highly explosive. So under proper conditions the reaction is carried out, okay, and here a chloride, okay, a trichlorohaloalkane is converted to trifluorohaloalkane, okay, but under control condition the reaction won't be explosive here. That's why the reaction is possible. Conditions like use of proper catalyst, okay, then pressure, temperature, okay, that will make the reaction to go to completion. So here we had important method of preparation of haloalkanes, and with this only we wind up with the methods of preparation of haloalkanes, okay. फिजिकल प्रॉपर्टीज आपको ऑलरेडी मैंने नोट्स में क्लियरली बहुत ही सिंप्लीफाई करके इंपॉर्टेंट ड्यू रीजंस जो फिजिकल प्रॉपर्टीज में से पूछे जाते हैं, that already I have written and given to you. So just go through the physical properties so that next time now we can start with chemical reactions of haloalkanes, which is a slightly lengthy part. So in that part also I have to cover main important chemical reactions of haloalkanes, and similar reactions we have to practice at home. Okay students, so this was today's concept and practice well. So we'll continue next time. Okay, have a nice day.